Hi guys, I hope you are all of fine. And let's come with me. I will tell you how to calculate load through using SolidWorks simulation. I will tell you how to apply load, how to create model and run simulation. So first we create a 3D model of I-beam. Here is I-beam and these are the supports. So first we create a model, then save it and make an assembly. Then I will show you how to apply the loads. So let's come with me how it is possible. Click on new file, then click on assembly, then OK. So we will connect I-beam and supports, both of these one. Then OK. As we have already created I-beam and supports, so you will create and assemble it. OK, click on a mat and visibles all possible plans for easy assembly. Select this one surface and this one surface coincident and make sure some distance also. First we change the units, then correct it. Okay, click on a mat, click on this plan and this surface, make a little bit space like 5, then OK, then click on this one surface and rotate the model. Then click it again, mat, OK, goes to OK, then OK. So press Ctrl and make a copy. Now click on mat, this one plane and this one plane should be equal, and click on this face and this face coincident, then click on OK, and turn off all the planes. So our assembly a little bit we should correct, like again click on mat, this surface and this surface should be coincident, then click OK. Now goes to OK. Our assembly is completed. Now it's time to make a simulation. So click on simulation if you don't see this one tab. So you will click on and here is simulation, so click, check it. Now here is two options, new study and simulation advisor. So we will click on new study. So here is more options for simulation like thermal, buckling, fatigue, non-linear and linear dynamic, and also some more tabs. So we just click on the static, then click OK. So here is a few steps. So first one is for in the model, click on the model and right click on first one part and you will see material. So here is some steps like edit. You click on a material and go to edit material and select whatever you like to decide for this simulation, like iron, steels, aluminium. So okay, this one material 166010, then click apply and close, and then support one, same procedure, select material, edit material, and here is we will change supports to see the variation in our models. Same procedures here, edit material and same close it. Now goes to static. Here you will see check on all the material, the material is available, and goes for connections. So click on component and connection advisor. So it is not necessary for this one exercise. Click on fixture and fixed geometry. Click on fixed geometry. So we will click on these two faces, then click on OK. Okay, now our fixture is fixed by these. And to the external load, click on the load, click on the force, click on the top surface, and here is a units, whatever you want. So here is the newtons, 1 Newton force which will apply on that surface. So we will change this value 10 newtons and then click OK. Now it's time to create a mesh. So here is a direction is fine, and here is a course. So in mid it is okay. If you select selection, if your selection is goes to fine, so your computer will take more time to solve this one study. Meshing is complete. Now just click on run study. So here is all possible stresses in our model, and this is a displacement, and here is a strain. So you will see what happened after 10 Newton force applied on the top of the I beam.